Thomas Doggaard, your first weeks in Heerenveen, how was it?
Yeah, it has been nice to get to know a lot of new people, a new environment. There are nice people here, but I'm not so happy about the football yet.
No, why not?
Yeah, because I haven't played as much as I hoped, but I'm sure it will come. I have to get used to the style here, and hopefully, yeah, it will get better.
Do you know what's the reason you didn't play a lot in the first 11?
Yeah, they think I have to get more used to the style, the style of playing. My fitness level has to be better, and also I have a little injury in the beginning, so now I hope it's getting better.
Yeah. One of the people who works at the club, Foppen Haan, you know him, old coach of Heerenveen, he said he's not fit yet. Was it true?
Yeah, maybe I needed 15% extra to get fully fit, but I think I'm getting there now. So just want to play now.
You have to compete with Mark Oets. He's also one of the strikers of Heerenveen. If you compare yourself with him, what's the difference between you two?
I think he's maybe a little bit more mobile. He run a lot. He run a little bit more than me, maybe. But I think, and I hope I can make more goals than him. I think I'm better at scoring goals, but yeah, let's see about that.
Yeah, you already made a comparison with Finn Bogason. Not that we say you're gonna score 28 goals in a season. No, but type of player. Can you explain why you compare yourself with him?
Yeah, I think he's what I've seen from him. I've not seen many games from him, but I know that he's a really good finisher. He don't need many chances, and then he scores. So I think that's the kind of player I am. I don't need that many chances, then I score. Yeah, I think that's the biggest comparison.
Holland and the audience here will get to see the real Thomas Doggaard in a few weeks.
I hope so.